What's going on, guys? Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Special quick thanks to Pringles for sponsoring this channel and unboxing this iPhone 13 Pro Max. So make sure you eat your Pringles lightly salted. So let's begin. Alakazam. I opened it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So we have the box here, sealed air, just to keep the phone from going everywhere. That's proper care. And here it is, guys, the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Oh my gosh, this could be like on my hand and stuff. It's like Intel based, dude. Even the box is kind of heavy. Man, I don't really want to open it. I don't want to open it. But yeah, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. 1 terabyte. Yeah, Sierra Blue. Yep, and it comes with all this things. It's for the 5G network. So it was bound to happen. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I chose blue because I like to, go with the unique colors of it. And yeah, let's go ahead and open it. And we'll open it together. Man, dude, I'm scared. Like, I don't even want to open it in, but I don't want to tear that off, dude. Like, I'm actually trying to find a way where, like, maybe I can figure it out where we can open. Now we have to slice it open, so we literally have to literally slice it. Like, we can't just unbox it. Yeah, screw it. I'll just open it. Man, I hate doing this because then they're gonna have to redo everything. All right, guys. So yeah. All right. So here we go. I'm not gonna do the bottom one but man, that is one sleek, clean phone. I love the blue finish. It's really nice. It feels like I can't think right now because of how it looks. I know that there's white, gold, and black graphite, which is like stainless steel. But man, just looking at this, it's just whoa. So of course you get the phone itself. Dang. Well, I feel like I said I'm gonna use it out in my arm and just like an asset like that. I feel like the grappling hook. So yeah, let's. Overall, I do love the finish. Pretty clean, pretty solid. Like I said, it kind of weighs a bit, but that's just how naturally this phone is. I love the flat design. I love the stainless steel round. Major fingerprint from what I've read from other reviewers. We got the 5G antenna, which is basically, that's what gives 5G. So whenever you are holding the phone, be careful. If you want to get service, you're gonna have to use your phone like this, so you don't have to like cover the antenna, so it can prevent you from doing that. I think Apple could have this is the antenna basically, but this is a 5G, giving you the access to it. Hopefully, yeah. And here we go. We're gonna, whoa, dude, we're not gonna have scratches on it. So let's go ahead and boot it up. So you get the standard products of the without the brick, and having that too. You get the standard stickers. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go ahead and leave that right here, and we're about to boot up the phone. It's gonna ask me for some personal information. So let's talk about some of the phone features what we have on here. Overall, the reason why I got this one is because basically I had a choice between a smaller one or getting this one right here. Let me just take care of this. Okay, cool. But yeah, I just decided to get this one. Get my money's worth. If I'm already paying like $1,000, I'm like, I might as well get a premium phone that will last me a long time. And I don't plan to upgrade this phone for another 5 years. So the only thing I might have an issue with is basically the screen itself. Let me see. Okay, yeah. Oh, give me another. Yeah, so this is basically the only thing. But I have confidence that this phone will treat me right. Um, it'll last me a long time, and yeah, I mean, the main big reasons why I got a big phone is because of battery. That's my number one thing. I'm literally always running out of battery. I usually have my Pokemon Go running, and then I have my music, and then I have my Bluetooth on, and then I have my data on. So it's using three, three types of things that's using up the battery. And when I had the iPhone 7, like I'm my iPhone 7 is literally dying. So having this would like pretty much ease my I guess you could say like worrying about it. I'm not gonna use that right now. But yeah, let me see. I'm not gonna do anything right now. Um, let's set this up real quick. So yeah, I mean, like I said, this is the only reason I got it. It's not because of the size. I am a bit like iffy about it, but I know that I'll probably get used to it. I'm used to like smaller phones, but I mean it's 2 inches less than the regular iPhone 13 Pro, so I'm not complaining, you know. And the only thing I don't really like is the weight. The weight kind of like you know. Okay, let me get the message. I haven't even activated the thing. Well, how does it want me to? Oh, there you go. I got it. Didn't get verification code. Well, let me see. Send new code. Send by 751. 269-878. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I was like, what the heck? Yeah, I was just trying to verify. So it's setting up. It's going through. Overall, this looks like it would be good to like work on items like if you use iMovie or any of those other ones. I think you have like uh, disable location services. We're gonna disable this right now. Screen time, we use that later. Don't share. We're gonna go between both. All right, guys. So this is it. Setting it up, dark or light. My eyes are sensitive, so I prefer the dark instead. I know that they added this a while back, and we're gonna go ahead and use standard because although I do prefer zoomed because it's a bigger phone and I can like you can reach around. I know one of the people are gonna hate like is doing that, but yeah, I'd prefer that. So let's swipe to get started. And yeah, guys, this is the look. I have 8 new message notification. Great, already. So yeah, this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm gonna probably stick with it. I'm gonna like see if it rolls with me. I think all my music's gonna sync or something. I'm not sure. Anyways, yeah, guys. So overall, oh yeah, let's check because I think everybody's gonna want to do this. But yeah, usually let's check this right here. I turn off automatic updates. I'm not a big fan of that. I don't download any automatic updates because it's gone to a point where I'm doing something important and then it just automatically turns off like, hey, you need to update. So I get rid of that. So let's go right here. And we got the 1 terabyte. Man, 1 terabyte right there. It's gonna be used up. I know people are gonna think I'm crazy, but nah. Like I literally like I'm going for the like go big or go home basically. And yeah, well for now I'm gonna just turn everything off. Like I said, I know that with this one, especially if I do plan to get oh yeah the battery health, doesn't that feel good, guys? 100% battery. Remember, guys, charge this at once it gets to 30% or yeah 30%, charge it up and then stop it at 80%. Hopefully it's smart enough to do that. That's the best way to get your battery health, keep it at 100%. And yeah, guys, so like I said, oh wait, I never saw this. Also, it has that's new, reported here, I guess because it's new. But yeah, overall, I'm gonna try it out. We got that 120 hertz setting in. That's pretty sweet. I like that. What else do we have? There's a way to turn it off, and I'll show you here real quick. I think it's under accessibility, and it's gonna be in motion. Yeah, limit frame rate. So if you want to turn off the 120, as you can see, it's you can see it's different now. It's gonna be under motion and limit frame rate. So you can see it's smoother. But if you have an iPhone, you have a big battery, so you'd want to keep it. Now, the reason why Apple wanted to do big batteries is because of 5G. 5G is what basically juices up everything. But overall, you get the feeling of using, you're not gonna be able to do one hand anymore. That's the only downfall. Plus, it's the weight that's you're gonna have to deal with. So, I mean, you could technically do one hand and all that, like, hey, what's up? Who's that? I don't know what I said. This is a test, and this is my iPhone. I still need to add a case to protect it. So you can literally tap here and get used to it here, but I like to add like not a life proof case, but one of those cases that has a protector on it to protect it all around, like everywhere, like from water and all that. I don't like to just do like a flat case because like this is, it's a really expensive phone. So yeah, guys. Overall, this phone, I think it's gonna serve its purpose. Overall, I'm gonna like it. Oh, I forgot about this right here. Oh, it doesn't have a lot, so it's at 65%. I'm gonna have to restore all my information, but I just wanted to show you guys an unboxing video of the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue. I think this is an awesome color. Like I said, hopefully it lives up to my expectations, and I hope I don't crack the glass because it's huge, dude. So I know this will be like a good system to use and all that. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. I hope you have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Also, don't forget to eat Pringles and drink your water as well. Don't forget to drink your water. Seal the deal and put the glass in the back. Also, I'm gonna keep all this for memories and stuff.